How to hide notifications on the lock screen in One UI 8.5. If you want to hide notifications content from your lock screen on Samsung One UI 8.5, this video will show you two easy methods. The first method lets you hide all notification content on the lock screen. The second method allows you to hide notifications for specific apps only. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung device. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Here, you'll find the option called Hide Content While Locked. Tap on it. You can choose how notification content appears on your lock screen. Select Hide Content When Locked if you don't want notification details to be visible when your phone is locked. Now, go back and open Lock Screen Notifications. Here you can customize how notifications appear on your lock screen. You can choose to show notification cards, icons only, or dot. If you don't want any notifications to appear on the lock screen, simply toggle Off button to disable lock screen notifications. That's the first method. Now let's look at the second method, which allows you to hide notifications for specific apps. Go back to Settings, then tap Notifications. Select App Notifications to view all installed apps. Choose the app for which you want to hide notification content. Tap Show or Hide Content When Locked. You'll see options such as Show Always or Hide Content When Locked. Select Hide When Locked. You can also turn off the lock screen option entirely for that specific app if you don't want its notifications to appear on the lock screen at all. That's it. This is how you can easily hide notification content or completely hide notifications from the lock screen on Samsung One UI 8.5.